Hey Oscar, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through one of your competitors' websites. And then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to build up your own website and make sure that website gets in front of the right people. And so I send these screencasts out with all this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the Car Wrap San Jose homepage. The first thing that I look at, other than the design of the website and making sure that their number is clearly presented on the homepage, I go through and I see how much content they have. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this home page. I did a word counter search and they have just a little over 2,800 words. So they have quite a bit of content on here. When writing your content, you want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. In addition to having the right amount of content, you also want to make sure that content is filled with the right amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. So Google loves information. We can strategically place keywords in that content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for it. And so the way that I found this website was by typing in the keyword car wrap San Jose into Google. This is a really great keyword. It brings in 300 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you would be doing really well for just one keyword. And so right beneath the search bar at the top, we may see some Google ads. There are none popping up for me right now, but Google ads are a really good way to get your name out there, build some brand recognition, particularly while you are waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if they're done incorrectly, they can definitely be quite a bit a waste of money. But if they're done right, they are a great way to get things moving quickly. And so right beneath where the ads would typically be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so the Google Map Pack is extremely important. It produces huge amounts of revenue, particularly if you can make it into one of these top 3 spots. In order to do that, you need to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So think Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Yext. Those are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And so you want to be on more of those directories than these three businesses are right here. And when you're entering your information into these directories, you want to make sure that you're entering the information the exact way that it's listed on your Google business profile. And so I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. The organic search results should definitely be your main area of focus. They're going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. And so right here is where I found the website that we were just looking at. So in order to rank organically, in addition to having good content, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. And so a backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant sites. So for example, if a really popular auto body shop were to give you a backlink from their website, that would be a really good way to bring more power to yours. And so over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys ever try and bring this in-house, I highly recommend using it. It is a little bit pricey. It costs me around $350 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. And so I just typed in the competitor that we were just looking at, and it's telling me that they have 534 backlinks from 88 different domains and are ranking organically for 96 keywords. And so we can take a look and see which keywords those are. Here it will list all the keywords, how many people search for that keyword every month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic it brings them every single month. And so we can go through and look out for ones that have buyer's intent and are preferably location specific and incorporate the best ones that apply to what you do into your content. And so now I want to go back and I want to go through the backlinks just like I did with the keywords And so it's telling me that they have a little over 500 different backlinks. We don't want to just beat them out with the number of backlinks they have. We want to beat them out with the quality of backlinks they have as well. And so we can go through and we can try and find the best backlinks and go through each one and see if we can snag those for your site. We can tell which ones are the best ones because the ones that have a high DR, domain ratings, are going to be the most powerful. And so 500 backlinks is a decent number to beat. Definitely beatable though. However, do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword, and we want to be able to beat out all of your competition. And so now to go back, I just want to give you an idea of how much you could be making with a ranking website, how much traffic it can bring you. And so at the home page, once this loads, it's telling me that they have around 77 people visiting their site every single month. Now, this number is usually 10x what it says on Ahrefs, but just to say for sake that it is 77 people who are searching their website every single month, if you were to get 50% of those people, that would be 38 new customers every single month. Each car wrap job I know costs around $2,500, so that would be $95,000 every month. And I don't know exactly what your profit margins are, but I know typically for car wrap businesses, it's around a little over 60%. So if you were to get 65% of 95,000, that's around $61,750 per month or $741,000 per year. And so also that would maybe be 10x depending on how many more people are actually searching if you were to count the citations and the ads and everything else. So in order to rank organically, we would need to, number one, make sure that you have a good amount of quality educational content with the right keywords. Number two, get you some more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number three, make sure that you have high-powered relevant backlinks. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. You can also reach me at 650-660-5507. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.